Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate client communication with Slack. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To automate client communication with Slack, start by logging into your Slack workspace. Navigate to the Slack app directory by clicking on the Apps section in the sidebar. In the app directory, search for automation tools like Zapier or Integromat. Select the automation tool you prefer and click on Install. Once installed, you'll need to follow the prompts to link your Slack account with the automation tool. Next, create a new automation workflow in the tool. Begin by selecting a trigger app that suits your client communication needs. For example, choose a form application like Google Forms or Typeform. Set the trigger event, such as when a new form response is submitted. Now, connect your Slack workspace to this trigger application. Select Slack as the action app in your automation workflow. Choose the specific action, like sending a direct message or posting to a channel. Customize the message content with the necessary client information from the trigger app. Test the automation to ensure it sends the correct message when triggered. Make any necessary adjustments to the workflow based on your testing results. Once satisfied, save and activate your automation workflow. Monitor the automation to ensure it functions smoothly over time. Adjust settings as needed to optimize client communication effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.